Today we have a WALLECOM Bunny Shelf, and my daughter's been asking me to get this open for like a week. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. Open it up.
There it is. There it is. Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and get this opened up. So we have our instructions. We have a bit of wood here. Let's get these pieces all out. And the main attraction, the bunny head.
So cute.
All of our screws are included in a little box here. Let's go ahead and get this opened up.
Wow, so cute.
All right, so the instructions here do walk through how to put this together. Oh, no. There's a video we have to watch on how to put it together. So we'll be right back once we have that done. All right, so we've got all the pieces together. There's two types of screws here. Small screws and slightly larger screws, which are for your wall anchors. Speaking of which, the wall anchor does come with two different varieties to anchor into drywall. And also a nifty little level that you can use to make sure the shelf is, well, level. In the meantime, we need to start getting this put together. So we're going to put this off to the side for now. And we're going to put this here. All right? So we need your help. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I need you to hold the rabbit, and I am going to drill the part. This is not drill, but screw the screw in back here. So there's pre-drilled holes here and on this piece. Let's get those lined up. All right, there's one.
No, more than that.
Yeah, I need a few more. All right, let's get this one in. Want to hold this piece right here for me? Don't let it move. There we go. And there's going to be two more we'll put in just a moment. This piece will go right here.
This one?
You want to do that one next? Okay. So that goes here. So hold that so it doesn't fall. I'm going to get another screw.
I like this.
All right, and
Moving.
yeah, it is moving a little bit. And
With the holes on the side, it could
Yep.
both go through.
there's holes on the side too. Can I get your scoots?
I'll hold it.
You're holding it for me? Thank you. Oh, I dropped the screw. Now, I'm going to back this screw out because I don't think I put it in the right spot. And then this one going to go into here. All right.
Can I finish? Can we finish?
Now, this rod gets put right here and gets snapped in on this side over here. And is held in place by 2 more screws. All the screws!
But what about these two?
Oh, I want to get back to them.
Okay. Is that kind of crazy and aggressive? Okay.
All right. And then
And half over there, please.
put the last few in here.
Okay.
And then,
We need 2 more.
yep.
And they should be good. I can save the extra for next time.
Well, save the extras in case we need them to fix something. And remember, a couple of those are meant to go in your wall.
Yeah.
All right. So there
We
is
did
the
it.
assembled bunny shelf.
And we are not going there.
All right, we got the shelf installed. I guess it's time to put something on the shelf. What book do you want to read tonight?
This one.
Okay. And why don't you put your night water up there too? Perfect. And I think it's a great place to put your remote. Where's your remote?
Right here.
There. Now maybe you can stop losing it, huh?
Yep.
You like the shelf?
Yeah. And when I even lay down, I could grab my remote out and put it back.
Perfect.